Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best door lock security cameras. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Smart Face Fingerprint Door Lock. Specifications. Model number, VF888. Material, zinc alloy. Camera, infrared plus color camera. Display, 3.5 plus 3.5 inch. Collector, semiconductor fingerprint. Recognition speed, 0.55s. Rejection rate, 0.01%. Power supply mode, lithium battery. Low voltage alarm, 6.8 V. Recognition distance, 30 to 80 centimeters. Lighting environment, 0 to 5000 lux. Product color, red bronze, star gray. Emergency power supply, emergency USB Android interface. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Number 4 on our list is Tuya 3D Face Biometric Fingerprint Smart Lock. Specifications. Model number, R07. Fit door thickness, 40 to 120 mm. Doorknob function, biometric, key, and keypad. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Material, aluminum alloy. Handle direction reversible. App, Tuya Wi-Fi. Application, home hotel apartments office. Battery, 4200 mAh lithium battery. Special features, built-in doorbell, built-in camera, built-in peephole, built-in screen, two-way audio. Number 3 on our list is Lock-in Smart Lock. Specifications. Brand name, SCJN. Model number, V5 Max. Power supply, dry battery. Handle direction reversible. Fit door thickness, 40 mm to 120 mm. Included components, battery not included. Special features, built-in camera, boolean peephole, boolean screen. Finish type, powder coated. Doorknob function, biometric, key, and keypad. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Certification, CE, RoHS. Number 2 on our list is Tuya 3D Face Real-Time Intercom Smart Door Lock. Specifications. Brand name, XSDTS. Model number, DF11. Power supply, built-in rechargeable battery. Suitable for mortise, 6068. Fit door thickness, 40 to 90 centimeters. Suitable door type, steel door, wooden door, brass door. Doorknob function, biometric, key, and keypad. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Material, aluminum alloy. Handle direction reversible. Color, black. Charging, support USB charge. Monitor function, send photo to mobile app. Certification, CE, FCC. Number 1 on our list is 3D Face Smart Door Lock. Specifications. Brand name, XSDTS. Model number, XSD7. Power supply, built-in rechargeable battery. Fit door thickness, 40 to 90 centimeters. Special features, boolean peephole. Doorknob function, biometric, key, and keypad. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Ways to unlock, fingerprint. Material, aluminum alloy. Handle direction reversible. App name, Equus app. Color, black. Charging, support USB charge. Certification, CE, FCC.